So in the previous class, we have seen the special GL transactions in the case of account receivables, right? And also we have seen the different scenarios. Now, go back to notes. One topic is missing in the material. The entire topic is missing in the material. Go back to notes. Put heading noted items. Put heading noted items. It is the information. It is the information maintained in the customer account. It is information maintained in the customer line item display. It is information maintained in the customer line item display. Example, down payment request sent to customer. Down payment request sent to customer. The noted items are also processed on the lines of special GL transactions. The noted items are also processed on the lines of special GL transactions. The special
GL, under lines.
Huh?
The noted items are also processed under.
On the lines of. The noted items are also processed on the lines of special GL transactions. Special GL transactions. So we have to maintain a special GL account. So we have to maintain a special GL account for noted items also. We have to maintain a special GL account for noted items also. And it has to be assigned to, normal reconciliation account. The special GL indicator for noted items is F. The special GL indicator for noted items is F. When the noted item is posted, in the customer account, it will not update any GL account balances. It will not update any GL account balances or customer account balances
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I think we have written these things.
No.
Noted item, yeah.
I think it was in accounts payable.
Okay.
This is in account receivable. In accounts payable, it was there in the material, right? And the same note.
No, you have asked to write to us. So actually, this is the same line. So I told you. Sorry.
Okay. Anybody else confirm whether I have told you these notes in account receivable or not?
No, sir.
Yeah. I do remember, right? It was not covered in account receivable.
Okay.
Yeah. So when the noted items are posted, it will not update any GL account balances or customer account balances. Customer account balances. But it is just shown as open item. It is just shown as open item in the customer line item display. In the customer line item display. See, here we have 100 customers. For example, we have 100 customers, right? Then we sent one request to the customer number 1 to pay an advance of 15,000. Then we have sent another request to the customer number 55 to pay an advance of 75,000. Then we sent one more request to the customer number 57 to pay an advance of 1 lakh. Then customer number 67, we sent one request to pay an advance payment of 1,50,000. Like that. So for different customers, we have sent requests to pay certain amount of advances. In that case, how can we remember them? To which customer? Sorry, how can we remember that which customer has to pay how much advance? That is why when we send the request to the customer to pay certain amount of advance, that can be entered in the customer account. Then that will be shown as open item in the customer account line item display. That open item is called noted item. Right? Right. For every customer, we can display the following types of line items. For every customer, we can display the following types of line items. Number 1, for every customer, we can display the following types of line items. Number 1, normal items. Number 2, special GL transactions. Number 3, noted items. Number 4, parked items. Number 5, vendor items. Vendor items. Next paragraph.
Sir, vendor items or customer items, sir?
No, in the customer account, we can display vendor items. In the vendor account, we can display customer items. Means, see, one person is there or one business organization is there. For example, XYZ Limited. From the XYZ Limited, we are purchasing the raw materials. That is a vendor. Same time, we are also selling some of our finished goods to the same XYZ Limited. In that case, he is a customer. So if that is the business scenario, for the same XYZ company limited, we create vendor master record in accounts payable and we create customer master record in account receivables. Then from the accounts receivable, we can display what are the invoices pending to be paid to that vendor. Similarly, from the accounts payable, we can display what are the invoices to be received from the customer in account receivable. So in vendor account line item display, we can display customer line items, and in the customer account, we can display vendor line items. So this is possible only when the same person is your vendor and customer. That scenario also we cover later. Continue. When the customer pays the advance payment, when the customer pays the advance, the noted item can be cleared. The noted item can be cleared. Next, configuration. Creation of GL account, step number 1. creation of GL account, down payment request customers, creation of GL account, down payment request customer, as a reconciliation account, transaction code FS00. So if anybody wants, they can write all the fields, right? If you are comfortable with how to create the reconciliation account for customer, you need not write. It is your will and wish. Transaction code FS00. GL account is 2,165,000. Company code SSKV. So we have sent one request to the customer. So customer has to pay advance, means we have to receive the advance. So I'm taking this as a part of current assets. Even if you want to take it as a part of current liabilities, no issues, because this account is not updated anyway. Company code is equal to SSKV. Go to menu GL account create. The account group is current assets, loans, advances. The account group is equal to current assets, loans, advances. Select balanced account. Select balanced account. Short text is equal to down payment request. Short text is equal to down payment request customers. Down payment request customers. GL account long text is also down payment request customers. Down payment request customers. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Reconciliation account for account type is equal to reconciliation account for account type is equal to reconciliation account for account type is equal to select customers. Select customers. Select to line item display. Select line item display. Sort key is equal to 031. Sort key is equal to 031. Then go to create bank interest tab. Go to create / bank / interest tab. Field status group is equal to G067. Field status group is equal to G067. Click on save. Step number 2. Associate sundry debtors account. Associate sundry debtors account. Associate sundry debtors account to the down payment request customer. Associate sundry debtors account with the down payment request customers. Path is SPRO. Financial accounting. Accounts receivables and accounts payable. Financial accounting. Account receivable and accounts payable. Accounts receivable and accounts payable. Business transactions. Down payment received. Down payment received. Define reconciliation accounts for customer down payments. For customer down payments. Transaction code OBXR. Transaction code OBXR. Now, double click on special GL indicator F. Double click on special GL indicator F. Chart of accounts SSKV. Click on enter. Click on enter. Reconciliation account is 2,125,000. Reconciliation account is 2,125,000. Within brackets, sundry debtors account. Special GL account 2,165,000. Special GL account 2,165,000. Within brackets, down payment request, customer. Click on save. Next step. Posting of down payment request sent. Posting of down payment request sent. Accounting. Financial accounting. Account receivables. Accounts receivables. Document entry. Down payment. Down payment. Request. Request. F-37. F-37. Document date is 21/10/2022. Type is visa. Company code SSKV. Posting date 21/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Under customer, the account is 2276. Target special GL indicator is equal to target special GL indicator is equal to A. Click on enter. The amount is equal to 30,000. business area SSKV due on 21/10/2022. Text being text is equal to being request for down payment sent to customer. Request for down payment sent to customer. Click on save. Click on save. Display customer, next step. Display customer line items. Display customer line items. FBL 5N. Customer account is 2276. Company code is equal to SSKV. Select to open items. Open key date 21/10/2022. Under type, select noted items. Under type, select noted items. Layout is on SAP. Click on execute. Click on execute. Observe the line item status. Observe the line item status. With the special GL indicator F. With special GL indicator F. See, there is one open item, noted item, right? How can we say this is noted item? Special GL indicator F. F means noted item. So we have sent one request to the customer to pay 30,000 advance. It is shown as open item in the customer line item display. And it will not update any GL account balances also. If you go to FS10M and if you look at the 2,165,000 down payment request customer, right? See, no data found for the fiscal year 2020. Similarly, in the customer account also, balances are not updated because we have sent some information like, right? So there is no involvement of monetary values, right? So we don't have any. See, in the balances, 0. Special general ledger also 0. Clear? Next. Posting of down payment received. Posting of down payment received. Against down payment request. Against down payment request. Path is same as above. Path is same as above. Transaction code F-29. F-29. Document date is 21/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 21/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Currency INR. Under customer, account is 2276. Special GL indicator A. Special GL indicator is equal to A. Under bank, account is 2,01,101. Business area SSKV. Amount 30,000. Text being advance received. Text being advance received. Click on request button. Click on request button. Select the request number. Select the request document number. Select the request document number. Click on create down payments. Click on create down payments. Click on save. Click on save. Next step. Display customer line items. Display customer line items. FBL 5. Customer is 2276. Customer is equal to 2276. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Open key date 21/10/2022. Under type, select noted items. Layout is on SAP. Click on execute. Click on execute. Observe the document status. See, we have selected noted items, right? And the system is saying that no item selected. Continue. Under type, select special GL transactions. Under type, select special GL transactions. Click on execute. And observe the document status. And observe the document status. observe that 30,000 is shown as open item. 30,000 is shown as open item. With the special G indicator A. With the special G indicator A. Look at the screen. 30,000 is shown as advance. Right? Now, as usual, we post the invoice in F-22. After that, we transfer the advance to invoice. Then we clear them in F-32. This is as usual. Now, can anybody tell me what is the GL account that is updated now?
Sundry data will be updated.
Think once. Think one more time. This is advance.
Sundry
30,000 is
data.
advance, right? So what is the GL account that is updated? What happened?
Down payment,
Sundry data account, yeah.
No.
down
not
payment, down
advance.
payment,
Huh?
down payment, special GL, down payment.
Special GL
Yes,
reconciliation account.
yes. Special GL account is updated. Special GL means here advances from customers is updated.
Yeah.
See, if you go to FS10, 1 lakh, I think. Advance from customers, 1,05,525. See, 30,000, 35,000 balance is there. How? Actually posted 30,000 now, right? So previously 5,000 advance is there, no? Balance. So 30,000 posted today. And previously we posted 25,000 advance, out of which 20,000 was adjusted towards the invoice. So previously already 5,000 old balance is there, and today posted 30,000. That means 35,000 balance is there. Similarly, if you go to FD10N, see, in the special general ledger, right, 30,000 balance is there. 30,000 balance is there. So these are the accounting movements. Then one-time customers. It is just similar to one-time vendors in the case of accounts payable. So one-time customers means to whom we sell the goods very rarely. They are also called walk-in customers, right? They are also called walk-in customers. Then sometimes, right, you are using some fixed assets like vehicles. So some of the vehicles you want to replace them. So you want to sell them in the second-hand market. So the vehicles to whom we sell are also called one-time customers. And you have some plants and machineries, right? Their expected life is over. Now we are selling them as scrap. So the buyer of the plant and machinery scrap are also called one-time customers. Like that, the customers with whom we deal very just now and then, right? They are called one-time customers. So for the one-time customers, it is not necessary to maintain the master record. Because master record means permanent data, right? Because they are the one-time customers, it's not necessary to maintain the permanent data in the database. But at the time of posting the invoices, we can maintain the master data for the customer. For that purpose, whenever you sell the goods to any of the one-time customers, we create one separate account with the name one-time customer account. We maintain only one master record with the name one-time customer account, right? Then when we sell the goods to any of the one-time customers, we post the sales invoice to that one-time customer account. At the time of posting the invoice to one-time customer account only, the system will ask you to maintain the master data. And we can use the regular reconciliation account or a separate reconciliation account also for the one-time customers based on the requirement. And most important thing is sort key. For the one-time customer account, right, the sort key should be either 022 or 020. And one more requirement is we have to maintain the separate customer account groups and the number ranges for the one-time customers. We cannot use the regular customer account groups. So we have to maintain the separate account group and separate number ranges for one-time customers. Now see the configuration. Creation of one-time customer account groups. Path is same as above. Finance SPRO, finance accounting, account receivable, accounts payable, customer accounts, master data, preparations for creating customer master data, define account groups with screen layout. Click on new entries. The account group is equal to SSKX, just like that. The account group is equal to SSKX. Meaning is equal to SSKV, one-time customers. Meaning is equal to SSKV, one-time customers. Select one-time account. So for the one-time customer account group, compulsory we select one-time account. With this checkbox, system differentiates between one-time customer account group and normal customer account groups. Double click on company code data. Double click on account management. Select reconciliation account as required entry. Select reconciliation account as required entry. Click on save. Then creation of number ranges for customer accounts. One-time customer accounts. Within brackets, one-time customer accounts. Path is same as above. Click on change intervals. So, you know, number ranges are different at client level, right? So you have to use one number which is not already there. Slash hash $1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Percentage 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And asterisk is there, right? And one is not there. So let us use and one. Then go to menu interval, free intervals, right? Oh my God, very big number. Just a minute, let me write down the number. What is that number? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 6 5 6 7 9 2. Two, 1 2 3 4 6 5 6 7 9 5. Don't use more than 2 3 numbers, right? So click on insert line. Number is equal to and 1 from number one, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2. To number 1 2 3 4 6 5 6 795. Click on save. Next, assign number ranges to customer account groups. Path is same as ever. Transaction code OBAR. OBAR. Sorry, OBAS. I'm sorry. The account group is called SSKX. Click on enter. Number range and 1. Click on save. Then creation of one-time customer account. This you will see in the next class. Next class is on Tuesday, right? Monday, Diwali, no? So next class is on Tuesday. We will see these things on Tuesday. Any questions?
Sir.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me,
Hello.
Josna.
Hello.
Tell me, Josna, I'm listening.
Sir, your screen here in the when you are displaying the T code is appearing on the screen now, sir. It is not just in my system. It is not appearing, sir. How to make the settings, sir?
Okay. Here you are not able to see the transaction code, right?
Yes, sir. Here.
Just a minute. Account group SSKV, company code SSKV. So XD01 is not visible on your screen, right?
Sir, for every screen it will not be visible, sir.
What it is displaying there?
It is not in my system. It is not displaying the T code under here, sir. Where
nothing is there, huh?
and nothing is there, sir. Just like this.
Only, huh?
Oh yes, sir.
Like this only, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
So in that case, you can see one left directed arrow.
Okay, okay. Sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just to click on this left directed arrow, then you can see.
Okay, sir.
And also sometimes, right? Even in that case also, transaction code is not displayed. You just click on this button.
Sure.
So you can insert any detail you want. Suppose if you want to display response time, just to select response time, 312 milliseconds,
Okay, sir.
right? Then if you want to display transaction, select transaction. And sometimes, right, you may also notice like this. See the standard toolbar. Command area is not there, right?
Sure.
So in that case, again, you click on this arrow.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then happy Diwali to all of you. See you on Tuesday. Safe Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Wish you the same.
Thank you.